You want the most epic intros and marbles on stream? Well, take some notes. I'm about to blast you with some information of all the buttons you need to press when the race opens. Here we go. Tab. T. Left bracket. Shift Alt. H. Shift W mouse wheel all the way up. Get in there. Clean the screen up. Get spicy. Get spicy. You also have the cinecam you can mess with. Press H to bring back the HUD. C. For your cinecam, you have 3 loadouts you can play with. That's loadout 3. X to get rid of that menu. H to clear the HUD. And now we're in cinecam slow-mo sexy mode.